so excited because I am working with Zazzle on this video, but full disclosure, I paid for half of this stuff with my own money because I just want it for my own wedding. And especially as someone who is planning her own wedding, I don't have a wedding planner, Zazzle is such a big help. And actually, let's sit down and have a little chat, shall we? Obviously, I am like 99% done with the wedding planning process, which feels so good to say, but if you are just getting started or you know you're gonna be getting started soon, AKA you can feel a proposal coming. I feel like very rarely nowadays is it a total shock. Like, you know when you're in a certain spot in your relationship, am I right? But Zazzle is gonna be your best friend. It is an online marketplace where you can get custom signage, stationery, invitations, and the really neat thing about this, you can make it your own. Like, when I first went on the website, let me just go on right now. First of all, there's an entire section that's called the wedding guide. That is so helpful. But if you just click on wedding invitations, and this is probably what they're most known for. Okay, yeah, 258,000 results. Like, you can truly make this your own. And the really neat thing about invitations, first of all, this is the first thing your guests are going to see. But second of all, it really helps you decide, what do you want your wedding to look like? What do you want the theme to be, or the feel? And actually, they have different categories up here to help make it a little easier. Minimalist or summer, blue, boho, elegant. Like, you can go all out. And there is basically a 100% guarantee that you are going to find what you want and what you are looking for on this site. Like, I cannot believe how many options they have. So for me personally, I chose like an elegant feel, and I can show you this one right here. I chose like an elegant, like I wanted it to be simple, but still, I guess, upscale and a little bit minimalist, I guess. Like, I didn't want anything crazy for my wedding invite. Also, can we just appreciate, I was very happy that I was able to make the back of this pink. It's the little things, it really is. But I wanna go in and design a new wedding invite just to show you guys how personalized you can get. So where are my boho brides at? Because this invite caught my eye, just everything about it, from the font they used to that flower, and then the really neat thing, I love this, look at the back. Like, the back, you can actually make a customized photo. So all you do is you go in, you click edit design, and you can customize literally everything. Like, you can change the background. Let's say, what if we want black? Ooh, that's very edgy. I mean, I like what they did, so I'm gonna go back. And of course, you would change all the details to your own. So I actually ordered this one. I have it right here. It is better than I even imagined. I actually went with the, what are they called? Like the rounded edges. I just thought it gave like a unique look. Love the front, obviously. And then the back, like the back is what truly makes it. I love that so much. I also, just to show you guys, designed this small invite, which you can get crazy with the sizes. Like, do you want a smaller invite? Do you want a bigger invite? I thought this was really cute, where the front is like a faded picture and then the back is kind of more crisp. Like, hey, here we are. I really, really, really liked that one. And then you can even choose different envelopes to go with it if you maybe want a color or a cute little saying to go on it. That's totally doable. And one regret I have from my wedding, that, guys, you gotta do this, is all I'm saying. If you have a wedding website, which I 10 out of 10 recommend, these QR codes will make your life different. And by different, I mean better. As I was on Zazzle, I saw they have these little cards and it says, please reply by June 10th on our website. But they also have the option of the little QR code. So ready? I'm gonna do it on my phone right now. All your guests have to do is do the QR code, boom. They're instantly on your wedding website. Like, I can't tell you how many times guests were like, the password isn't working, which was a user error. I was like, did you add the 2 at the end of Clancy and Zach? So it was a mess. And these are so smart. And you can get these on your actual wedding invite, but I also think it's cute just to add it as like a little card that you put into the envelope. Another neat touch, an embosser, which I am not like your crafty, like, oh my gosh, DIY girl. This makes it seem like I am. Like, that's what I love about Zazzle. It makes you look so much more creative and artistic than you really are. And with this embosser, so I ordered these stickers that can go on the envelopes to seal them. And just as a cute little touch, so when I was on the website, I put in C and Z and our wedding date. It automatically goes into the embosser. And then all you have to do is press it down. I leave it on for like 2 seconds, nothing at all. Boom. Then you have your custom stickers that can go right on the envelope. Like that is such a cool touch that looks expensive. It looks like you know your stuff. Took 2 seconds, like didn't take any time at all. I can promise you I wasn't the one, like, I don't know. When I first heard of embossers, I was like, do I have to like do something crazy to this? No, it comes like this and it's preloaded to say whatever you want it to say. So I will have all of the things I mentioned linked below. It has made the wedding planning process not just so much easier, but also so much more fun. Like I am someone who's getting so stressed about the little details. I was honestly just getting annoyed and fed up with everything, and it brought back some fun into the whole process. And especially now that it all arrived, like I'm so excited to go to town with this, which, speaking of which, I also, where do I even begin? I got a lot of stuff for the wedding, such as our welcome sign, which this fits my whole theme of wanting it to be elegant but simple. Like that's just what I was going for personally. I also ordered personalized table signs, so it's just very simple, but it also says ZNC at the bottom. And then I also have table signs I ordered that I will put into picture frames. I just picked these up for $1 at Dollar General, Dollar Tree, one of those dollar stores. Oh, and then the last thing, I already ordered my thank you cards, which they once again have so many different selections. I personally went with the one that has a lot of space because I want to be able to write custom cards. Like I don't just want to send out a thank you of like my face and then it just say thank you. Like I want to be able to write like, dear whoever, thank you so much for your gift and all of that. So I'm excited. Oh, and it was kind of cool writing this, if you can see, Zach and Clancy Rogel, AKA my new last name. So yeah, I'll have all of this stuff linked below. So cool. And it really just like brought the fun back into things.